Hey, girl. Welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another vlog. It's been a minute since I vlogged. I actually don't remember the last time. But today is Wednesday, November 26th. Is it November 26th? It's November 27th. Wednesday, November 27th. It is Thanksgiving Eve, and I am in the kitchen. It is like 11:18 a.m. Let me just kind of go back a little bit. I am on break. If you watch my Get to Know Me, you will know exactly what I mean when I say I am on break. And if you don't know, check out that video. But I am on break and I am in the kitchen getting some things prepared for tomorrow. Actually, I'm starting with all of my sweets first. I am in the midst of making the pudding for a banana pudding. Well, actually not a banana pudding. I don't make banana pudding. I make cookie pudding, which is just cookies minus the bananas. But I am in the process of making that. And I thought to myself, I haven't vlogged in a minute. Let me go ahead and start this vlog. I've already made one. I'm trying something new that I saw on TikTok where the girl mixed vanilla and banana instant pudding together and then use the Cool Whip, all that. I normally do that when I make my banana pudding, but I've never mixed two flavors, so I'm trying that. I have my potatoes. I have my sweet potatoes on because I'm making some mini sweet potato pies. I am going to do a strawberry cake, and I also bought a yellow cake to do, but I'm not sure if I want to do that because I also bought brownies to make. But I just think that's way too much. I don't know. I want it all, but I know I don't need it all. So, Chloe said don't make the brownies, but the brownies is actually what I want because I bought a little pint of vanilla ice cream to eat while the brownies are hot. I don't know if you're a chocolate lover or not. I don't know. But I love brownies. And when I make the brownies while they're hot, I like to top it with vanilla ice cream and But if I make that, then I think I only need to make one cake and this cookie pudding because we don't need all that. So anyway, y'all, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to open up this vlog and continue. Oh, let me tell y'all what's on my menu. It's the normal. I'm not sure how many black girls I have, subscribers, but we all pretty much kind of have a lot of the same foods around Thanksgiving. I mean, give or take some extras, some add-ons, but we're going to have fried turkey, ham, greens, sweet potatoes, macaroni, and that's it. I think that's it. Oh, and my son requested Hawaiian rolls. I usually like Sister Schubert rolls, but since he's on his way out because he's headed to college in January, I went ahead and fulfilled his request. So, what are y'all having? I know by the time this vlog come out, Thanksgiving will be long gone. We'll be ready for Christmas, but what are y'all having? Oh, since I said that, let me show y'all. I put up my Christmas tree last night and kind of did some decor right here. Y'all, it's dirty up in here. It's junky. I ain't gonna say dirty, but it's junky. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, y'all know how it is when you're preparing for a holiday meal, but I just want to show y'all. There's Chloe. Chloe, say hi.
Mama, why you trying to add a camera all of that?
Okay, y'all, here's the Christmas tree. Let me step back a little bit so y'all can see it. Look, she's 9 feet tall. I pretty much do the same decor, but I added these bells. These are something new. Look, I put the white poinsettias in there. We pretty much have red, white, and silver. She's not as full as I want. I'm ordering some mesh decor ribbon. I actually wanted to find more. These are the big balls. I wanted to find more, but I went to Walmart today and they didn't have any. So, and then look, Chloe's going to move that. But I'm looking for a Christmas throw to put right here. But look. And this is the TV stand. And then we have this one right here. So that's it for now. Oh, I didn't show y'all the look. Okay, we have a little Rudolph right here. We have this here. in the snowman. That kitchen is, hey, we're cooking, we're working, okay? All right. Okay, so anyway, let me make this pudding. This is the vanilla. Let me make this banana pudding. And I'm going to talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm going to show y'all when I make my sweet potato pies. Not while I'm making it, but I will show you once I put them in the little shell. I'll come back and show those to y'all. So I'll see y'all in a few. Here is my banana pudding. Well, my cookie pudding minus the bananas because my family don't like bananas, but ooh, y'all look at it. Y'all, I finished my sweet potato pies. Look. I followed this same recipe last year and the pies are delicious. It's a simple, easy. I ain't got time to be doing all that extra stuff. My lips are a little dry, but I don't have time to be doing all the extra stuff. Oh, but wait, y'all, I forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click your notification bell. Y'all, excuse my voice. And of course, share the channel. I have plenty of videos and sharing means caring. Now, back to this Thanksgiving meal and back to these Thanksgiving sweet treats. Cookie pudding is done. Sweet potato pies are done. Now I have 2 cakes to do. I'm doing the yellow cake and the strawberry cake. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Just wanted to show y'all after they're done what they're looking like. Ooh-wee. They look good, y'all. They came out so good. Cakes are done. They look so good. And I don't know if y'all could really tell, but I really think that the contents of the cake mix are less than what they used to be because these cakes are not that big. I think it looked bigger on camera, but they are not that big. They will get eaten. Strawberry. This is the butter recipe. I'm no Betty Crocker, so yes, I do use the box cake mix and not from scratch. Great morning. Today is Thursday, November 28th. It is 9:45. Happy Thanksgiving. I am in the kitchen getting ready to start putting things in the oven. I pretty much prepped everything yesterday. Tika did the greens last night. I'm getting ready to put the dressing in the oven. The ham is done, just have to be warmed up in the oven. And I did just put the sweet potatoes to boil and I have to do the macaroni. So everything is done. And I'm really only cooking sweet potatoes and macaroni today. Everything else is getting put in the oven or just being warmed up. And y'all already know, y'all saw all the sweets are done. We are also going to my oldest son's house and we're going to my mother-in-law's house. So I am going to bring y'all along. I mean, I'm gonna try and get a little bit of what's going on and that's it. We're gonna have a nice family-oriented day. Then tomorrow is the playoff game, round 3. And y'all will see a little bit of that. So that's it. Just wanted to say good morning and tell y'all happy Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all in a few.
Y'all ready? They ready? Well, come on, come on.
We won. On to the next one. Good morning, y'all. I'm back in the kitchen. It's early in the morning. It's 6:13 a.m. and today is signing day. That means my son is signing. It's called the letter of intent. My son is signing a letter of intent.
His letter of intent, not a letter of intent. His letter of intent.
My son is signing his letter of intent to Rice University today at 11 o'clock a.m.
National letter of intent, Mama.
My son is signing his national letter of intent today to attend Rice University. Anyway, y'all, I need something on my lips because my lips look crusty. Anyway, y'all, my son is signing his national letter of intent today to attend Rice University. and play football. So we will be attending that at 11 o'clock this morning. Come here. Can you come say hi to my vlog? He's getting ready for school, getting ready to leave. But come say hi. Just tell him hi.
What's up?
That's it. How you feeling about today? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, DeAndre, go ahead. All right, well, y'all, I hope I don't get caught up in the moment and not just give y'all a little bit of footage, but I'm gonna try and get a little bit. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Yeah, we made it to the school. The ceremony officially begins at 11 o'clock. We are walking in. There's Chloe back there. Say hey, Chloe. She has a birthday coming up, y'all. Today's the 4th, so 16 more days. I'll see y'all inside.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning. We'd like to welcome everybody out to the 2024 North Shore Senior High National Signing Day ceremony. This young man that'll be coming up, sign his letter of 10, DeAndre Hartman Jr.
Hey, y'all gotta get us. Y'all gotta get us.
Some more light. Maybe stand right here. Was it good there? Good shot.
Turn a little this way. Yeah.
Before I let go.
Touchdown, 2-8.
They're my girls. Say hi, Chloe. Y'all, this is my oldest. This girl almost 30 years old.
There is really no need to say that.
Hi, Coco. Say hi to the vlog, Kirsten. Come on. She really loves the camera, y'all. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
No, can you move your hand
I'm not moving
so they can see your beautiful face? Y'all, here's the man of the hour. This is Mr. D. Horde.
What you mean you can't see what's
Say hi to the vlog, D. Y'all give him a second.
Bro, you need sweatpants.
What up, vlog?